Welcome to our tutorial on how to apply the chart format of one chart to all charts in your Excel worksheet. If you have ever spent hours formatting individual charts in Excel, this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you will know two ways to apply the format of one chart to all charts in your worksheet and create consistent and professional looking charts in no time. First method. The first step is to select the chart that you want to use as a template. This will be the chart that has the format you want to apply to the other charts in your worksheet. Once you have selected your chart, the next step is to copy it. To do this, simply right-click on the chart and select Copy from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. With the chart copied, it's time to select the chart that you want to apply the format to. Now it's time to paste the chart format. Click on Paste Special and then select Formats and then click OK. After pasting the chart format, verify that the formatting has been applied correctly to all the selected charts. If necessary, make adjustment to the formatting by selecting each chart and making changes as needed. You will have to repeat this step to apply the format for all the charts one by one, which is the drawback. If you want to apply the format for all the charts, you have to use the VBA code, which is our second method now. Go to the VBA editor window, insert a new module, copy this VBA code, which has been mentioned in the description for your reference, paste in this new module. Go back to the Excel sheet, select the chart from which you want to copy the format and then run the macro. You will be thrilled to see that all the charts in the Excel sheet has been applied with the selected format. And that's it. You will know how to apply the chart format of one chart to all charts in your Excel worksheet. This technique will save you time and help you create consistent and professional looking charts in no time. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.